Hello everyone. For Capstone 5, I have selected Atlantic City, New Jersey. Atlantic City, New Jersey is probably best known for its beaches, boardwalk, casinos, and pageants. Did you know that it was also the basis of the board game Monopoly? What you probably wouldn't expect is for it now to be remembered for almost being completely erased after Hurricane Sandy. Hurricane Sandy left 70 to 80% of the city underwater. What occurred on October 2012 in Atlantic City is actually not surprising. As we have been learning throughout the course, the rising sea level creates conditions for hurricanes like this to thrive. Atlantic City is just one of many areas that is found on the coast of the Northeast which is threatened by coastal flooding. While drivers for this type of incident seem to be natural, they are more a result of anthropogenic consequence. The climate change plays a major factor in its vulnerability as these storms are becoming more unpredictable in relation to the damage that they cause. The risk continues to increase since there is not a proper infrastructure in place to have been able to prevent the damage caused by the hurricane. Journalist Sarah Gibbons reports for National Geographic that the damage was estimated to be $70 billion and was ranked amongst the costliest hurricanes in U.S. history. In December 2019, Rutgers University was commissioned by the Department of Environmental Protection to provide results of different scenarios reflecting greenhouse gas use. In this study, they reported that they expect New Jersey coast to experience a sea level rise of up to 2.1 feet by 2050. This type of change may cause business to close permanently and even residents to relocate. The solution for this issue is not as simple as saying reduce the emissions. We must come up with the infrastructure which could help manage these rising waters, such as barriers and systems to manage these overflows.